Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to go over 5 legitimate ways to make money online. Before I dive in and get started, I want you guys to know that these are not some survey sites like Swagbucks where you spend hours and hours filling up useless surveys to end up only making 5 cents or 10 cents an hour. That's not what we're doing here. These are some real practical strategies and methods. If you go ahead and execute, you can end up generating a lot of money online. Also know that there has never been a better time than now to start making money online and build your own businesses. But the big elephant in the room is that don't fall for the trap of easy money. There is no such a thing as get rich quick scheme online. The hard truth is that the only ways to make money in any lasting manner involves a lot of hard work, your sweat, and your efforts. This is not to scare you off or discourage you. I simply want you guys to know that in this video we solely focus on ways to make real, sustainable extra income online. Now that we got that covered, let's dive in and get started. So number 1 is a very interesting one. If you have any skill whatsoever, the chances are there is already demand for it. You can utilize websites like Upwork.com to make active income in exchange for your skills. If you aren't familiar with Upwork, it's a freelancing website where companies post projects that they need help with so that you can go ahead and start working on these projects and get paid in exchange for your services. Literally everything you can think of, from doing voiceovers, Photoshop, video editing, to even writing, also customer service, pretty much anything you can think of, you can explore it on Upwork.com and start earning income online. If you're saying, well, I got no skill at all, then you can go ahead, Google or YouTube, and go educate yourself and start earning money. There's literally no excuses whatsoever. And this is an active income. I have to mention there's 2 types of incomes. If you guys don't know, one is active, one is passive. Active income essentially means that you are getting paid fixed amount to the work that you're doing. Any like 9 to 5 job is an active income because you are trading your time for money. Whereas passive income, my favorite way to make money, passive income is you putting either time or money upfront, which then will generate you money along the years to come. So now that we get that covered, you know the difference between active income and passive income. Moving on, number 2 on the list is creating online courses to sell your knowledge and expertise. If you're already an expert in a certain topic, you can put together a course full of knowledge in that certain topic and sell it for years down the road. And again, this is a passive income. If you think you don't have any expertise, you can go explore different topics from like websites like udemy.com. I'm sure you have something you're good at, and you'll be surprised because if you think about it, you already speak English, and there's millions of people who are trying to learn English and willing to invest in courses. So just be creative and make sure you are bringing real value in your course. Also do your research and validate that the people would actually pay for your course. It's simple supply and demand. Make sure that people are willing to pay for your course before you start putting in that work. I understand that it does take a considerable amount of upfront effort and time, but the earning potential is huge. It's a great way to make passive income. You're putting in time upfront, which then will generate you passive income in years down the road. Next up, number 3, you can become a customer service support or virtual assistant. Big companies like Apple, Amazon, and many more, they're always looking for people who can handle the customers and become their virtual assistants. Especially Apple, I know personally, they're always hiring people to do a customer service support. They call it home advisor. The best thing is that you can work from your home and they will train you. Apple, they personally train you to be a specialist in that field, and you don't even have to be tech savvy or anything because they have multiple positions, not just tech support. They need people who can handle the orders because obviously customers are going to have questions about like orders, delivery, and stuff like that. You can be that person who's on their computer from home making money online. And Apple is just one example. There are many other companies, especially big e-commerce companies. They're always looking for people who can do the customer service and work remotely. All right, moving on. Number 4, we got buying and reselling stuff online, essentially flipping them. Notice that I said buying, not just selling off your old stuff. I know a lot of people recommend selling off your old stuff and making quick cash like that, but that's not what I am saying here. Buying and reselling is a very interesting topic because it's a skill, it's something that you can learn. How I got exposed to this idea is that I remember first I sold my old Android smartphone, and I noticed that people were selling a lot of brand new iPhones, even like slightly used iPhones for way below the market value. So I thought to myself, maybe I could go ahead and buy it off of them and try to flip it back and make profit in the process. So that's what I did. One of the best deals I've ever done was, I remember I bought iPhone 8. It was sealed. I bought it for $250 and I was able to flip it, basically sell it back to the market price, which was $550. So I made $300 in a matter of a couple of days. And I didn't even feel like I did any work because I really didn't. It's all about being able to find good deals and then selling it back to the original price. And if you're asking, how do I find the market price of the product that I'm looking to flip? And you do that by looking at the old transactions. What is it being sold for? The best way to do this is go on ebay.com and look up the item that you're looking to sell and the model. And then you can go to the filter section, go all the way down. It says show only. You can go ahead and enable sold items. And then it will show you all the transactions that had happened on ebay.com in last 365 days, essentially a year or so. And then you can pretty much take the average of the price and give yourself a range. What would be a good value to buy it off of the seller and then sell it back on the market price. So pretty much in order to calculate the market price, you have to take the average of all the transactions. You don't have to like put it all of them, just roughly get an idea of market price and be able to buy it as low as you can and sell it high as you can. So that is very simple and that's how it works. And again, being able to find good deals like that and selling it back is a very good skill to have. And you know, it doesn't have to be just smartphones. You can do with any electronics, any like cameras. I also did cameras, a lot of other gadgets and stuff like that. It doesn't have to be that. You can do books, you can do any other thing that you can think of, as long as there is a high volume. So next up, we have something called affiliate marketing. So what does affiliate marketing mean? It means selling goods and services from another person or company. For example, let's say you are promoting a product from Amazon.com. What you would do is you would sign up. They have a program called Amazon Associates where you can sign up and they will give you a unique link, which is called Amazon Affiliate Links. And then you can go ahead and start promoting products from Amazon. And every time someone clicks that link and buys something off of Amazon within 24 hours, you get a commission. And it doesn't matter how much they pay for the product. Like let's say they buy a $10 product, a $1,000 product, doesn't really matter as long as they buy it in that 24 hours span. You make a certain percentage. So that is a great way to make a passive income. And it's not just Amazon who has a affiliate marketing program. Another great example is ClickBank. This one is really interesting because you can find literally any product in any category you can think of. So go ahead and try it on. I will leave a link in the description. So I used to think that in order to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, you have to have a big audience or a number of followers. But I found out that it's not true at all. You can simply like start recommending and promoting or referring your the products that you already have. Let's say you have a cool wallet that you have and someone asks you where you got it from. And you can simply just send them the affiliate link and make a commission out of that as well. And also if you have social media, you can promote it on your social media. You don't have to have a huge following or anything like that. It's a great way to make a passive income. So that is it, guys. There are ridiculous ways to make money online. What I've covered is just a tip of the iceberg. If you have passion for almost anything, you can go ahead and make an income stream online. So I hope you guys took away something from this video and learned something. I hope I brought some value to you guys. If I did, please leave a big thumbs up on this video and subscribe for more content like this. And I would love to hear your feedback. Or maybe if you tried any of these methods, make sure you leave your comments down below how it worked out for you. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.